Umples and Bunumples.
Hello, hola. Where's Good morning and buenos dias. Buenos dias, Umples. What have you been up to? Well, I was playing with my birthday toys. Ooh, that's right. Umples had a birthday yesterday. It was so fun. Yes, it was. Hey, Umples. Yep. Would it be okay if we see your birthday toys? Please, 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 please. Well, of course. What are we waiting for? Let's go. Umples. Yep. The toys are all over the place. I can't see what they are. How come you didn't clean up when you were all done? I don't know. Don't you think it's important to clean when you're done playing? Yeah, sure, but then how come you didn't clean, silly goose? I don't know. I don't know. You know what? I'm just so overwhelmed. There's just so many toys and so many things to do, and I don't know where to start, Bunumples. I don't know what to do. Umples, calm down. You know what? What? Let's call Mama. Great idea. Mama. Here she comes.
Hey guys, are you ready to help me show Umples how to clean his toys? Great, let's get to it. So the most important thing about cleaning is making it fun. There are many ways to do this. My favorite thing is to clean by color, and my favorite color just happens to be purple. So let's start with the color purple. Do you see any purple toys on the table here? Here's one right here. Let's take a look. This is a purple toy. In Spanish, purple is morado. Morado. And I have two things this can go to. We can either put it over here, which I don't think that's gonna fit. Or we can put it over here with the caterpillar. And look, it's a perfect fit. All right. Do you see anything else that's purple? Here's a purple egg way in the back. And here is the top of the shell. This is a purple chick. In Spanish, to say chick, you would say pollito. So to say purple chick, you say pollito morado. Oh no, he got stuck. There you go. All right. So on the bottom of this chick, you'll notice there's a cross. In Spanish, a cross is cruz. And I bet this egg goes in the egg carton. What do you think? Because look, there's the cross. Let's go ahead and put it in. All right, nice and snug. We're gonna put that right back over there. Okay, I think we're done with the purple pieces. Now let's move on to blue. Do you see any blue pieces here? Here's one right in the front. All right. In Spanish, blue is azul. Azul. And this is definitely a caterpillar piece, so let's put it over here with Mr. Caterpillar. Ooh, perfect. I'm going to move you a little bit closer. Are there any other blue pieces that you can find? Here's a blue piece way over here. This is a light blue. In Spanish, light blue is celeste. Celeste. And this is a caterpillar leg, so let's put it on the caterpillar. Ooh. All right, I see one more blue piece. Do you see it? Right over here. Little blue chick. And the chick's shell is missing the top, but I see it right over here. So in Spanish, since this is a light blue chick, you would say pollito celeste. Light blue chick. The bottom of this chick has a star. In Spanish, star is estrella. Estrella. So let's see if we can find an estrella in our egg carton. Do you see it anywhere? Here's one right here. Perfect fit. Okay, now we've gotten all the blue pieces. Let's see. How about we go with green? Do you see any green pieces here? Here's one right over here. This is green. In Spanish, green is verde. Verde. All right, little caterpillar. There's your green piece. Okay, here's another one over here. This is a light green. In Spanish, you would say verde claro. Verde claro, light green. Here you go. Ooh. All right, we've got one more light green piece right over here. This is our light green chick. I'm having a hard time finding the top of his shell. Can you help me find it? Oh my gosh, I found it way in the back, right over here. Oh, there we go. Remember, in Spanish, light green is verde claro. So to say light green chick, you'd say pollito verde claro. All right, there you go. And the shape here is a heart. Heart. In Spanish, a heart is corazón. And I bet we can find a corazón in our egg carton. Ooh, there it is. Ooh. All right, we are getting there. Okay, now let's move on to yellow. Let's see if you can find any yellow pieces. Whoa, front and center. Look at that one. So in Spanish, yellow is amarillo. Amarillo. Let's go ahead and put this right on the caterpillar where it goes. And I see a yellow chick. Do you see it anywhere? Right there. Here we go. Perfect. And I found the top of his shell right away. Here we go. Whoop. All right, this shape is a square. And in Spanish, square is cuadrado. So let's find the square in our egg carton. There it is. Whoop. Very nice. You guys all look so comfy in there. We're done with yellow. So now let's go to orange. Orange in Spanish is anaranjado. That is a mouthful, isn't it? Here, say it with me. Anaranjado. Anaranjado. So this goes on the caterpillar. Ooh, I see an orange chick too. Do you see it? There it is. Perfect. Got the orange chick. And the top of the orange chick shell is right over there. In Spanish, orange chick would be, do you know it? Pollito anaranjado. There you go. And the shape on this little pollito is a circle. In Spanish, circle is círculo. So let's find our círculo in our egg carton. Can you find it? Right here. It's getting a little easier as we fill up our carton, isn't it? Don't they look so cute? Huh, I'm seeing a color here that isn't yellow or orange. It's sort of like a golden yellow. In Spanish, golden yellow is amarillo dorado. Amarillo dorado. And this is part of the caterpillar. So let's put it right over here. Whoop, perfect. I see a red over here. Let's do red next. Red in Spanish is rojo. Rojo. There it goes. How about now we look for, pink. This is the pink chick. In Spanish, pink is rosado.
Rosado.
So to say pink chick, you would say pollito
Rosado.
We have a triangle here. So in Spanish, triangle is triángulo. Triángulo. And look at that. We only have one more to go. And sure enough, it is a triangle. That was so fun. Look at all those eggs. Yeah. Look, there's only one more piece. How easy was that? Let's go for it. This isn't really pink, and it's not really purple either. They call this magenta. Magenta. And in Spanish, magenta is magenta. All right, look at that. That's the last piece on our caterpillar. And the last pieces to our eggs in their little egg carton, looking so cute. Wow, you guys, I'm so proud of you. Whoa, I just noticed something. Do you see something fishy going on over here? Let's take a closer look.
Oh no, the numbers are out of order. Ah!
We're gonna have to put this in order, guys. Let's do it. We can do this. Let's take all of the pieces back off of the caterpillar. We'll make it much easier to see which one goes first. Can you count to 10 with me? That will help us find which numbers go in which order. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And we have 10 pieces here. So that's the order we're gonna go in, okay? So let's start with 1. Do you see a 1 in our stack of caterpillar pieces? Here it is right here. 1. 1 in Spanish is uno. Uno. So we'll put the 1 on this side. The next number was 2. Do you see a 2? Here it is. 2 in Spanish is dos. Dos. Next is 3. Where is that 3? There it is. 3 in Spanish is tres. Tres. Now we're looking for a 4. Here it is. 4 in Spanish is cuatro. Cuatro. 4. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need a 5. Do you see the 5? Right here. 5 in Spanish is cinco. Cinco. Now we need a 6. And here is our 6. 6 in Spanish is seis. Seis. Okay, now we need a 7. 7 in Spanish is siete. Siete. 8 in Spanish is ocho. Ocho. 9 in Spanish is nueve. Nueve. And 10 in Spanish is diez. Diez. Fantastic job, you guys. We did it. Now all the numbers are in order. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, and that's the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, y 10. Todos los números. This looks like a pretty happy caterpillar. What do you think? Did you know that caterpillar in Spanish is oruga? Oruga. Say it with me. Oruga. Great job. Thank you guys so much for helping me clean all these toys. You did a great job. Bye.
Oh my goodness. Bunumples, Bunumples, where'd you go? Oh, I'm right here. I'm right here. That was so much fun, wasn't it? Oh yeah, it was super fun. That was almost as fun as playing. I'm gonna have to go, you know what? What? I'm gonna have to go clean right now. Oh, that's a great idea. Let's go clean too.
2 hours later.
Whoa, that was so much fun. Bunumples, Bunumples. Whoa, that was so much fun. Limpiamos todos los juguetes. That's right, we cleaned all our toys. Hey, you know what? What? I bet you guys at home have even better idea how to make cleaning fun. Oh, you're right, Bunumples. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Bye, guys.
Umples and Bunumples.